welcome back to another video. In this video we will be changing the Haldex filter and oil, so let's see what we need to do that. So what do we have here? We have a filter, we have a new bolt, 5mm hex with a washer, 5mm hex bit to undo it, the fluid, you put all of this fluid in, torque wrench to torque the bolt up, and the special tool to get the old filter out and the new one tightened up. This shouldn't take too long to do. So what you need to do first of all is get your car a little bit warm up a little bit. I've gone up the yard a couple of times. It's warm enough. I mean, it's quite a watery sort of fluid anyway. It's not very thick, so you should be all right either way, but maybe just give it a little warm up. So first of all, what you want to do is get your car jacked up. The filter is there, but we need to undo this drain plug first, so let's get that and get the old fluid out. Looks like whoever's been here before has chewed this up a little bit.
Make sure you put something underneath the car to catch all the old oil.
The colour of that, this was well overdue. So while that's draining, let's tackle the filter.
So I'm just removing some of the clips from that black tray, just so I can leave that down to get a bit more space.
Get on it, going through that way. See a bit more fluid coming out, so let's see if we can get that filter out now. And there it is. You can see the housing where it's come out of. So what we've got to do, I'm going to give that a little wipe and then we'll put the new filter in.
Now just nip the filter up with the special tool.
But don't over tie it, just sort of like nip it until you feel some nice force on it. But obviously not too loose, not too tight. You'll know, you'll feel it when you've done it enough. Alright, let's bang this shield back up out of the way. So get everything ready to go in.
So just bend the nozzle so you've got enough space, and with the special tool, the other end, the handle of it, just push it up the tube to push all the fluid out. It's not under too much force, so it's pretty easy to do. With the fluid in, now get ready with the plug, ready to swap them out as quick as possible. you don't lose too much fluid. Here we go. Not too bad. Now get that all tightened up.
There we go.
Now get your torque wrench and torque to 15 Newton meters. And give it a wipe with a rag.
Now lower your car and take it out for a drive. Job done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.